Elementary School. This is your principal, Mr. DC, and I'm making this video to prepare everyone for Pet and Stuffed Animal Day.
Yay!
And I know you are wondering why these guys are here. They are not my pets, they're my children, but they really wanted to be in a video. And so I wanted to introduce you to my dog. His name is Etto. He is 12 years old, almost 13, and he is my honorary pet for Pet Day. And I also have a lovey that somebody just gave me for Valentine's Day. And then my son David wanted to show off his favorite lovey. Tell him what it is, David.
A pika.
And what's his name?
Pika.
Pika. A pika named Pika. And here's Jack, and here's his lovey. It was a little blankie, but it's now torn to shreds. And so those are our loveys and our pet. So I hope you have an amazing pet and stuffy day. Send us your pictures and videos. We can't wait to see them, and I want to put them into a little slideshow at the end. So there's going to be a link to a Flipgrid. So send us your pets. Send us pictures of your loveys, and have a lot of fun on Pet Day. Goodbye, Bradley. When you sit there.
Stop
You
it.
just start. All right.
Jack, look at over here.
Okay. You want-
Eto, sit.